Hello students, today I am going to discuss about quantum number. So what is quantum number? Atomic orbitals are precisely distinguished by what are known as quantum number. Each orbital are designated by three quantum number named as NLM. There are four quantum number. First one is principal quantum number, which is denoted by N. This number describes the energy level or shell around the nucleus. Means how many shells are located towards the nucleus. So this is nucleus and the innermost shell named as K and outermost named as L and this shell named as M and N. When N is equal to 1, named as K shell. When N is equal to 2, named as L shell. When N is equal to 3, named as M shell. N is equal to 4, named as N shell. So this is principal quantum number. Now moving towards second, that is angular quantum number, which is denoted by L. Now what is angular quantum number? This number describes the shape of sub-energy levels within main shell. It defines 3D shapes of orbital. Means it represents three-dimensional shape of orbital. Now how many types of orbital? First one is named as S orbital. Second, this is P orbital. Third, this is D orbital. And fourth, that is F orbital. This is the 3D representation. So here S orbital, this is, and here L is equal to, L represent what? Angular quantum number. So when S is principal quantum number, then L is equal to 0. When P is principal quantum number, then L is equal to 1. When D, then L is equal to 2. When F, L is equal to 3. This is the number of angular quantum number. Means how many sub-energy is located in the shell. Now moving towards next. So that is relations between N and L. Principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. So as described, N is equal to 1 is K shell having subshell S as given, and here angular quantum number is L is equal to 0. When N is equal to 2, then subshell is SP, and here angular quantum number is start from 0 and 1. When N is equal to 3, M shell, here subshell is SPD and angular quantum number is 0, 1, 2. Here N is equal to 4 represent N shell and here subshell is SPDF and angular quantum number is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you are wondering that here 3 is given, then why only we take up to 2? Because it is given main energy level, that is 3 orbital total. So 3 orbital total, then we calculate 1, 2, 3. Total how many orbital is there? 3 orbital. That means it is correct. Total 3 orbital is given. There 4 principal quantum number represent N shell, 4 orbital is sp.d.f. and angular quantum number is 0, 1, 2, 3. Total how many? 4 orbitals. So this is the representation of angular momentum. Now moving towards next, that is magnetic quantum number, which is denoted by ml. The number describes the orbital within subshell. Now you saw that there is a main energy level, then further subshell, and then again orbital within subshell. And this is what? Magnetic quantum number. That is denoted by ml. And here note, what is orbital? It is three-dimensional region around nucleus. It is 3D representation of orbital. Sorry, it is 3D representation of electron towards nucleus. Now, here are 4 types of orbital s, p, d, f. Now here is 4 types of orbital s, p, d, f. Here, if we denote magnetic quantum number, here s, then L value is 0. L value is 0 means from -0 to +0. As it is given -L to +L. And from P here is 1 orbital is there. Then here you can see how many orbital are there? L is equal to 1. Here it is given. So from in P -1 to +1, and in D -2 to +2, and in F -3 to +3. Now how it is represented in the form of magnetic quantum number? That is ml is equal to 0. Here ml is equal to -1, 0, +1. And here -2 to +2, ml is -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. And in F -3 to +3, then ml is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. These are all magnetic quantum number, which is represented by this -L to +L. Now next, moving towards last one is electron spin or spin quantum number, which is denoted by ms. Now, what is electron spin or spin quantum number? It is denoted by ms. The number describes the motion of an electron within the orbital. What it is represented? The motion of electron within the orbital. If possible value of spin quantum number is ms is equal to ±half. If electron moves in upward direction, spin is +half. Then how it is represented? +half. If electron moves in downward direction, spin is -half. Now how it is represented? If L is equal to 1, that is angular quantum number, then magnetic quantum number is +1, 0, -1, and spin is spin is +1, 0, -1 in the form of spin quantum number. Each carry 2 electron. As from the Pauli's exclusion principle, each orbital carries maximum 2 electrons, that is 2 electron, one upward and another is downward. Here it is given, you can see, and each orbital carry one upward and one downward direction electron. That upward represent plus half, downward represent minus half. Again upward represent plus half, downward represent minus half. So these are all spin quantum number. That's all. So you learn about various type of quantum number. Thank you.